Duplicate and place editable clones of your mesh with ArrayMesh. Open the ArrayMesh tab to reveal a fair amount of options. While there is a lot of options here, the basics don't require too much. Press the Array button to enable. Next, press the Transpose button. This will enable the ability to control your array with the Transpose tool. Next, use the Repeat slider to set the number of copies you want. The same edit can be made with the Transpose tool here. Select from editing one of these 4 transforms. With offset selected, move the X amount slider, and next, the Y amount. Switch to scale mode and move the sliders to see its effects. Lastly, switch to rotate mode and pull on the sliders to manipulate your copies. Enter a value of 0 for all rotation sliders to reset, and a value of 1 for scale sliders to reset. You can perform the same edits swiftly with the Transpose tool. While in Move mode, reposition the center circle's inner circle to control the offset. Switch to Scale mode and manipulate with the handles to control the scale transitions. Lastly, switch to Rotate mode and use the Transpose tool to control the rotation. Form a ring or a spiral out of your mesh by returning all settings to default. Enter rotate mode here. Next, put a value of 180 in any one of these sliders to create a half circle, and 360 for a full circle. Now manipulate your pivot point by click and dragging this yellow circle here in your viewport, or switch to the pivot transform here and use the sliders to place your pivot point. Adjust the repeat amount at any time. Each copy mimics the original. Find the original by enabling polyframe or temporarily disabling the ArrayMesh here. When done editing your virtual mimic clones, commit them to actual geometry by pressing the Make Mesh button here. Arrays can be a handy method of replicating, placing, and transforming your clone mesh.